G'day YouTube, and welcome to this episode of the Gunman Raw. So today we're just going to be doing the clear coat stage on these two panels. Nothing that exciting, but I'm using my new gun here. So it's the DV1. It's got a new air cap on it, and that is the C2. So I've been keen to see how this thing does. Without further ado, let's get into it. So the clear coat I'm using is PPT LVC 136, and I'm using it at 3:1 and 3:1 to 0.8. I decided to get the non-digital version this time. I don't know, it's what I would buy. Like, I would buy that. I know you can get the digital one, but yeah, there we go. So it's got the 1.2mm fluid tip on it. I've actually got the 1.3mm on the way in, just so I can see if I like that one better. Now this is feeling already a little bit more like the TE20. I was never the biggest fan of the DV1 clear gun. I actually think I like this better. This sprays more like a Pro Light with the TE20 on it. Whereas if you're on the C1, that's sprayed a little bit more like the T110, which for everyday, like matching factory finishes, I find the TE20 a little bit better. I find it gets a little bit more material on and a little bit more efficient. But yeah, like when I was mixing the clear coat up on this job here, out there, putting the clear in the gun and all that, I was thinking about it, and you know what, like all of those guns that I've got out there, and you gave me the choice, right? If you gave me the choice between using a top of the line product with a budget spray gun or a budget product with a top of the line spray gun, I'd be taking the top of the line product any day, you know. So you can have the most expensive DV1 or Starter 5500 or whatever it is, or your eye water, your flashy eye water, but if you're spraying cheap clear and cheap base coat through it, what's the use, you know? Like, yeah, having good clear coat and good primer and good base coat is more important than the gun, I would say. I don't know, it's something that I haven't said that much in the past, but yeah, I thought about this a while ago, and I'm like, yeah, give me an ANI F160 with some Glazerette or some standoff any day over, you know, cheap paint with a good gun. Anyway, let me know your thoughts. I'm going to give that a good 5 minutes because this is a 3-stage peel. My boss actually wanted me to go edge to edge, so we're not even blending. So fingers crossed that the colour looks right. I can't promise anything, but I will see you guys back here when we're ready to put the second coat on. But I think I might have finally found the DV1 that I like. It's clear. Rightio guys, back to it. You may actually notice here I've got those microfiber cloths. I've been using them for like Crestol and water cleaner lately. I've been pretty happy with how they work, and I clean them out. I'll use them once and then clean them out. Anyway, let's keep moving. Even with the 1.2, this thing seems a lot faster. I think I'm going to give this one a shot on those candy resprays next time, because it does look to be a very nice solid even band on it. Let us know if you have one, if you use one, if you've tried one and you disliked it. Leave a comment below. Let's have a talk. But honestly, I think I might have finally found myself a DV1 clear gun that I like. This might be my my new clear gun, like permanent, not just try it, and then go back to my pro light, you know. Oh man, a chunk of black shit just landed in my door. Oh well, you get that on the big job. Hopefully it buffs out. Good, man. I like it. That sort of factory orange feel. It's got a nice build. You can tell it's putting a nice amount of material on. Without overloading it, obviously. This bump is actually going to be going today. They don't do that a lot of the time at this workshop. They run this shop really well actually. I'm very impressed with the management at this workshop. It's actually pretty rare that we do paint something the same day that it's going. Makes my life a little less stressful. Where I used to work, man, they'd have like 5 jobs that still need painting on the Friday. That are still going to go on the same day. It's like, man, they really need to get some better management. I don't know. No offense to them, I like them. They were great people. I wish them all the best, but I just think the place could probably be managed better. They actually did lose their manager. Well, he left back to Ireland, and when he left, yeah, they never replaced him, so... The place always did run a little bit smoother with Terry, my Irish buddy. Alrighty, baby, looking good. That's actually pretty nice and clean considering it's going today, mate. I reckon that's going to get put on the car and get sent away. I don't think that'll even get polished. Nice, nice. That one, there's probably going to be a couple of bits in it. But as I say, even that one's just a cheap job for some old grandma who didn't want to pay to do the blend. There's the gun. I'll pull you out of the case so you can probably see a little bit better. There we go. Righto, mate. Still recording, yep. That's a DV1 clear gun. HVLP. C2 Air Cap, HVLP plus, so the plus is down the bottom, which means it's probably not really a HVLP. It's what they would have used to have called Transtech. Anyway, I'll give you guys a close-up look at the finish that it produces, and I've got a feeling that you'll see this gun in some more videos coming soon, because I'm very happy with that. Very, very happy with that gun. I do have the 1.3 on the way in. However, looking at the way the 1.2 sprays, I don't think I want to use it that much, man. This thing pumps a nice amount of material on without overloading it. Have a look at that. This boot does need a bit of a clean out though. You see those walls, and then I have to say something to the manager. But same thing there, man. That's pretty nice sort of factory looking finish. That's good. I'm very happy with that. Rightio guys, hope you have a good one. Until next time, get out there and paint some shit. Hey, go buy some merch, and if you do want to buy one of these, you can support my sponsor, Spray Guns Direct. Anyway, until next time, get out there and paint some shit. Gunman out.